In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze and unfreeze your card in your Wise account. Freezing your card can be a crucial action when you want to prevent unauthorized transactions, whether you've misplaced your card, suspect any fraudulent activity, or just want that added layer of security when not using it. Fortunately, Wise makes this process straightforward, and I'll guide you through the steps to do it seamlessly, either through their mobile app or website. First, you'll need to log into your Wise account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention towards the interface where you'll find the Cards tab. This is a key section of your account where you can manage everything related to your card. Whether you're on the app or the website, and the process is essentially the same, and you should have no problem navigating either option. After accessing the Cards tab, look for an option that reads Freeze Card. This function enables you to instantly freeze your card. What does this mean? Simply put, freezing your card stops all transactions from taking place. It's a great way to ensure no money leaves your account if you're uncertain about your card's location or if you feel it's been compromised in any way. Once you select the Freeze Card option, your card will be temporarily disabled. The nice thing about using Wise is that this action takes effect immediately. It provides peace of mind knowing that your card is frozen without any delays. Now let's say you found your card or have resolved whatever issue prompted you to freeze it. You'll want to unfreeze it and get back to using it as usual. The process to unfreeze your card is just as simple as freezing it. Go back to the same Cards tab in your account. This is important. Make sure you return to the Cards tab specifically, as that's where all the magic happens regarding your card settings. In the Cards tab, find and select the option to unfreeze card. Once you do this, your card will be active again, allowing you to resume using it for transactions like before. It's that seamless and quick, ensuring you can handle everything on the go or from the comfort of your home computer without any hassle. This capability can be particularly handy when traveling or if you tend to misplace your card often. Plus, it's a good practice to keep your card frozen when you know you won't be using it for an extended period, just to be safe. By following these simple steps, managing the security of your Wise card can become an easy part of your routine. Thanks for following along, and I hope this helps you feel more secure and confident in managing your Wise card. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful guides.